Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie?
you know how it's raining outside at the moment?
Yeah.
Well, I just had a look outside and there's heaps of mud everywhere.
Mud?
Yeah. I was just wondering if you can make me an animal that loves mud.
A crab?
No, it's pink.
Oh, you want a pink pig?
Yeah, that's what I want. I want you to make me a pig.
Okay, let's try and make a pig.
Yeah, they love mud.
You inflate this balloon about halfway again.
Right.
Tie it off. Now I'm going to do a tulip twist in the end for the pig's nose.
Right. Pig's going to have a tulip for a nose.
Well, a snout.
Right.
And then a mouth.
A mouth.
A cheek.
Cheek.
A pinch twist.
A pinch twist.
An ear.
Right.
A head.
Right.
Pinch twist for the other ear.
Yeah, you're going to lock them in soon.
I'm going to lock the two cheeks before another cheek. Lock those two cheeks together.
Right. Lock them in, Darren.
They're locked, Arnie. Now comes the hard part, Arnie.
Right.
I'm going to roll this snout through the two cheeks to finish the face.
You be careful.
Why is that?
Because it could break.
It could break.
Yeah.
If it's going to break, it'll break now. We'll try.
Yeah, you go for it, Pastor Daron.
There we go. There's the pig's face completed.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Now I'm going to do two front legs.
Yeah.
A body.
Right.
And two back legs.
Yep.
And leave a tail.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to
put some eyes.
Him some eyes.
Can these balloons actually see when you put eyes on them?
I don't think so.
No. Because I can see.
You can see, but
Yeah,
you're a puppet.
I'm a puppet. If I didn't have eyes, I wouldn't be able to.
That's right. And there he is. This one's a piglet.
Yeah.
I want to make a pig.
Right.
Here's one I made it earlier. Difference is he's got a 3 bubble roll through.
So he's a bigger pig.
Bigger pig.
Yeah.
That's right. So a piglet and a bigger pig.
Oh, they're excellent. Fantastic. Can I hold one of them?
There you go, Arnie.
Thanks, Pastor Daron. Do you reckon this pig can fly? No. Pigs can't fly.